How to fix screen recording not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and scroll through on the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, see if the screen recording option is available or not, and if not, then tap on the plus icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the Add a Control option. Scroll through and search for the screen recording option, or you can also tap on the search bar there and search for screen recording. Tap on it, and with this, you will have screen recording on your control center. Simply tap on the screen recording icon in order to start screen recording. And if the screen recording is still not working, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, make sure your iPhone has enough storage space for screen recordings. Do screen record and save it to your album. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and force restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button and then press the volume down button and finally tap on the power button and wait until Apple logo appears. Once restarted, try to screen record again and your issue should have been fixed by now. So this is how you can fix screen recording not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.